Hello, guys. Good evening. Welcome to our evening session. So on this evening session, this is where I'm going to be teaching the newbies how to you can start trading the financial market profitably. Okay. So, guys, if you are new, if you're just joining us today, please go and get your pen and paper ready. Okay, because I'll be providing informative informations, things you need to know before you can become a professional forex trader. Okay, so my name is Leo, and I am your guide. All right. So before we do that, I'll show you some trades. Okay, some trades we took today, and they were very profitable. They were going our ways. Okay, so this is one of them, and we already took profit around this area. Okay, we already took profit around this area. It was a successful. It was a success. Sorry, and then we had another one. Okay. Okay, so this is another one here, and on this, I actually gave this on the afternoon session. All right, so it's heading straight to. I gave this to the free group, to the free community, and it's already heading towards our entry point. Okay, so it's heading towards our entry point. It's going to get trigger around this area. Okay, and then we have our stop loss around here. Now I want to make explanations from these trades. All right, I want to make explanations from this trade, or rather, let's just go to another trade, and then I'll make a fresh analysis, and I'll be showing you, what I saw here and why I took the trades. All right. So, guys, come along. Let's ride it together. So, last week we talked about, I introduced you to the forex market, how you can start trading, and stuff like that. And I even took you around the BtcDana trading application app. Okay. So, I showed you all the informative part of it, what you need to know, and how you can register with the account. All right. All you have to do is just register on the account. Then don't worry. Let me just go to the app before we actually proceed on our lecture, because I know some of us are just joining us today and it's going to be hard for them. Let's just go into the app, and let me show you some things that you need to know. All right, things to get you started, the things you need to get you started. Okay. uh, so I'm going to share my screen now. Okay, I'm going to share my trading application screen. All right. So, if you haven't registered, if you are here, I'm sure you already registered with BTC Dana trading application. Okay, so you need to register on the app. Okay, so once you are registered, please come to this demo here. Okay, click on demo, click on this demo. Okay, I want you to activate your demo, because that is where you are going to be practicing how you can start to open positions. Okay, so when you click on it, you see my own, I've already activated it. That's why it's showing this. Okay, that is why it's showing me this. If yours is not yet activated, just click on that demo, and it will ask you, if you want to activate. So click on activate now, and then it will bring you to this page. Okay, so you can edit any amount you want to. Maybe this is 2005 here, then 0.61 coin. I can edit this and increase or decrease it. Okay, so you can enter a coin from 50 to 10,000 coins. Okay, so you can enter any amount you want here, and then it's going to reflect here. All right, so that is that. I'm okay with 2005. Okay, Yeah, it's demo now. It's not as if I want to blow everything today and restart it tomorrow. So guys, let's continue. Now, once you've activated your account, don't worry. It is the next thing is going to be the fun part. Okay. So now today I'll be introducing you to how you can actually place a trade. Okay. And then before that, I'll show you things you need to know before you can actually go into placing a trade. In the forex market, we don't just go and start placing trade just like that. It's not possible. You understand? You need to do some things. There are steps. And then last week I talked about analysis. Okay, I talked about fundamental analysis. Right. So I talked about analysis and how you can actually make analysis on your chart before you can come here and place a trade. All right. So guys, you see, this is a learning period, all right. But it doesn't matter if you are a newbie or you are just starting out. Okay, so we have a premium channel where you can actually make money. All right, that premium channel, all you have to do to get into the premium channel is just deposit up to $15. When you deposit up to $15, on this live stream, you are going to be qualified to join my premium group. Okay, so the benefit of joining the premium group is you start making money with me. All right, you start making money with us. Let me just come to this trade and show you something here. You see, I mistakenly took this trade on the demo account. All right, I mistakenly took this trade on the demo account. But just look at how much you can actually make. Okay, from just joining my premium group. So if you want to join my premium group, all you have to do is just deposit $15 on this live stream. And if you want to make a deposit, go to the chat room right now. Click on that banner where deposit with benefit is written on. Click on that banner and it will take you straight to where you can make your deposit. All right. So please, guys, Nigeria is very hard for all of us right now. So all of us, they look for how to make money. And it is very, very important that when we get any opportunity to make money, we don't want to misuse it. This is one of the opportunities. All right. This is one of the best opportunities to make. This is a platform where you can actually trade and make money. All right. You have to do it yourself. All right. Nobody will come and do it for you. Okay. So if you want to be serious, deposit $15, fund your account. Okay, I'm not asking you to pay for the signal. All I'm saying is fund your account, fund your trading account with $15, and I'll get you into the premium group. All right, and then you ride with us once we provide the signals. All right. So just a second, guys, please. Sorry about that, guys. Okay, so let's go to the trading screen and let me show you, the fun part of trading. All right. So let's just delete all of these and make fresh analysis. Okay. So in trading, there's what we call analysis. All right. So last week before we went on weekend, that was on Friday on our evening session. I made mention of forex analysis, and I said if you want to start trading, you need to know how to make your analysis. All right. So making analysis is very easy. All right. The hard part of making the analysis is getting the overall direction. That is, if your analysis is not right, it will be very hard for you to get your overall direction. All right. So this is the 4-hour time frame right now. You can actually make your analysis from any time frame you want. Okay, but I'll advise you to stick with the higher time frames. Okay. So if you're a scalper and you want to trade on the 1 minute, your analysis should be on the 15 minutes or on the 30 minutes. All right. So I'm an intraday trader. That's why I love making my analysis from the 4 hours time frame. But you can actually choose whatever you are comfortable with. So now in the forex analysis, we have two types of analysis actually. Okay, we have two types of analysis. We have the fundamental and then we have the technical. And the one we are doing on this chart right here is the technical. Okay, so now to make your analysis, um, there's what we call the support and the resistance. Okay, so they are majorly they are basically the simplest part of analysis. Those are the key points of your analysis. They are the focus point of your analysis. All right, so what I mean by focus point is if you don't get them right, you will definitely lose. All right, that is why it is very important for you to pay attention to this lesson. Right, so support and resistance are basically drawn like this, like just a box like this. This is how you draw your support or your resistance. Okay, and what is a support? This is how a support looks like. This is this is a resistance. Let me draw the second one that is a support. So this is how a support looks like. All right. So this is let's label it. All right. Let's label it. This is resistance and this is support. Okay. So this is support, this is resistance, and the other one below is support. So why is the top one a resistance and the up one a support? So I want to make this as easy as possible. All right. So this is how they work actually. So we let me just do it this way so that you know. So just making sure that in case you find any other person or maybe your friend is keep saying, do you know what support, what demand or supply is? And you are saying, no, I don't know what it means. They are still talking about support and resistance. All right. So when somebody say, I want to trade, my market is currently sitting on resistance, I want to sell. They are saying their market is on supply. Or you hear somebody saying, my market is on supply, I want to start selling. They are saying their market is on resistance. All right. And then when you hear support or you hear demand, they are saying the same thing. Okay. They are saying, when you hear somebody say, my market is coming to touch the support right now, I want to start buying, they mean their market is sitting on demand. Okay, so support or demand mean the same thing, while resistance or supply also mean the same thing. All right, so now how do you plot your resistance and support, and why do you plot them? So look at this market right now. Look at what is going on around this market and why I plot this resistance. You see, when your market is going up, okay, when your market is moving up to the top side. Oh God. Just a minute, guys, please. Just a minute. Sorry about that, guys. Okay, so let's continue. Um, So talking about resistance, okay, resistance. Let's start with the resistance because it's at the top, okay. So when the market is moving from down to the top side, okay, moving up, going up, there's always a particular place where the market stops and then try to reverse, okay. Sometimes it doesn't reverse, it got broken, but before it actually gets broken, there's something always happens. So look at, this is one of the scenarios here. You see, the market was actually making a move to the top side. All right. So when it got here, the market started coming down. All right. And then it started going up again. Okay. Trying to break the resistance again. When it got to that same zone again, it started coming down. All right. So when the market is moving to the upside like this, and then it's trying to, is getting paused, all right, and then trying to go back and forth, we say there's a resistance there or a supply around such zone. Okay, that means you know the forex market is moved by institutional financial institutions, all right, by it's basically money. Okay, everybody is trading on money. That's why this market is actually moving, all right. So when it's trading this way, there are other people there that are forcing this market to actually come down, all right. So in a resistant or supply zone, that means we have sellers around this area. Okay, they are the one. Buyers has been moving this market from this area. That is why the market is going up, because the buyers are very strong, all right. And then when the market start to make the move to the downside, that means there are sellers there. Okay, there are sellers waiting around this area that starts to move the market to the downside. No, this place that this market has gotten to, we want to start selling. We are tired of buying. Okay, but you as a retailer, okay, right now I'm a professional trader, but I'm a retail trader. Okay, because I am taking advantage of what is going on here. I'm not the one moving the market. The market makers are the one moving the market. All right. So you are also a retailer. If you are here right now, you are learning how to trade the forex market. You are also a retailer. We are all retailers. Okay. So the banks, the other financial institutions, they are the market movers. All right. So you as a retailer, what do you want to do? You want them to keep moving the market anyway, they or any direction they want to move. They want to move the market to. What you want to do is you want to wait for that opportunity for you to start buying or to start selling. All right. So that's basically what resistance is, okay? And that is how to get your resistance. Just have it at your in your mind that whenever the market is going to the top side and then it keeps rejecting in a particular place, that means there's a resistance around that area. Yes, you can call this a resistance also, because when this market moved to this side, it started going down. When this market moved to this side, it started going down. That means there's a resistance zone around these areas. Okay, so it's just the opposite for the support. All right, in the resistance we said when the market is going up, there's a resistance there. Now when the market is coming down, that place that always gets rejected and start to go up, that means we have a support or demand around such area. Okay, so guys, you see, support and resistance is very easy. There's nothing complicating about this. All right, all you have to do is just pay attention and make sure you are learning after the lesson. Okay, even if it's just 1 hour of your day, let me do this thing that this guy did. Okay, this is support, this is resistance. So wow, the market did, that's why the market actually moved from this area. Okay, so when this market gets to this point right now, that means it can actually start coming back because we have a resistance around this area, and anytime that the market gets to that point, it starts to go down. All right, the same thing for this also. When this market start to come down right now, when it gets here, that means it's going to start going up, because we have a support around this area. Guys, it's just as simple as that. Okay, there's nothing more to this. There's no further explanations than this. This is the easiest explanations ever. All right, so now then apart from our support and resistance, we also have what we call trend line. Okay, so trend lines are drawn just a line. Okay, you see, this is a trend line. This is how a trend line looks like. Okay, and then where do we use this trend line? We use this trend line in a market. It also serves as a support and resistance actually. Okay, but the way we use it is quite different. You see this market right now, this market is going down, and while it was going down, it was creating this. All right, it was creating what we call higher lows, okay, lower highs rather. It was creating what we call lower highs because this is a high. okay, but it's going down. It's creating more highs, lower than the other one. All right, we call it lower high, and then it's creating lower lows. Okay, because this low is lower than this, then this one is a lower low. This is lower than this. This one is a lower low, and this one is also lower. That's why we call this lower lows. All right. So we can't keep drawing something like this. This will make our chart too rough, isn't it? Okay. So look at this right now. Let's say I have another resistance here, and then I want to draw another resistance around this area. See how rough my chart is. Okay. Yeah, I was able to cut this. I was able to cut this. But what if it is breaks out and get to this point? What am I going to do next? Then or maybe this one comes down, create another one. Then I have to be, drawing these boxes until it gets to God knows where. You understand? So what we want to do is when we see a market that is going like this, most of the time I don't draw it this way. I'm not saying you can't actually do it this way. Oh, all right. Don't get me wrong. Analysis is analysis, no matter how you plot yours or how you want to see the market. It just depends on how you are seeing the market individually. All right, personally. So what I love to do in this kind of sideways market is I use trend line. Okay, I use the trend line. This is better. This is easier. Okay, and it allows me to see the market for what is going on. All right, it allows me to see the market for how it is, how it should be looking at. All right. So just as we have the support and resistance, we also have the same thing, the support and resistance on for trend lines. Okay. So we have the resistance trend line, which is the one you draw at the top, and then we have the support trend line, which is the one you draw below. All right. So it's the same explanation for the support and resistance. When the market, buys to the top, it starts to sell down, and when the market gets to the top, to the downside, it starts to buy to the top side. Okay, and you can see what the market was doing every time it comes back to touch it. Look at this right now. Let's assume that I got this point here, I got this point here, and I got this. This wasn't created yet. All right, but what happened when the market came in here? It started coming down. It's just an assumption. Okay, the market is already playing out, but I'm just telling you what could have happened if even we didn't meet this market this way. All right, so that is what trend line is all about, and that is what our support and resistance is all about. Guys, if you have any question, please you can ask me before I proceed. All right, you can ask me any question before we proceed. Guys, please don't forget about our premium group. All right, don't forget about the premium group. If you want to deposit right now, you can actually go ahead and make your deposit. Just fund the account. Okay, let me not even call it deposit, because I know the more I say deposit, some of us will be like, ah, this guy is telling us to deposit to. Where are we going to deposit into? What are we depositing into? Okay, fund your account. Okay, so let me use that English. I think that is better and it's more understandable. Fund your account. All right, fund your trading account. This is a trading platform, and then you need to fund your account before you can actually trade. If you want to open position, that means if you want to place a trade, you need money to place a trade. I have money in my account. That is why I'm able to place my own trades. Okay, those in the premium group, they actually fund their account with up to $15. Some even fund more than $15. So but you need to fund at least $15 to get into the premium group. All right, yeah, we drop signals on the free group, but that is a free signal. All right, it's not as protected as the premium signal. All right, so the premium signal, I'm giving you entry, I'm giving you stop loss, and I'm giving you take profit. And again, when we make little profit, I even tell you, oh yeah, oh, guy, go and close your trade, close some of the trade and leave some. All right, like the gold signal we took this afternoon, I told everybody that took it, I told them please close, because the market can actually reverse. So it is very important. If you join the premium group right now, you get that benefit. Okay, a very sweet benefit. You don't have to go through the trouble of I don't even know how to make this analysis now. I don't understand what this guy is saying. Hey, all of these things. How when am I going to finish learning it and start making money? See, guy, let me tell you something. It doesn't matter. All right, you are here right now. Yes, you are here because you want to make money. All right, I know you want to make money. That is why I'm here. I took my time teaching you all of these things. All right, and I'm still telling you that you don't need to become a professional right now before you can start to make money from this trading of a thing. All right. Just fund your account with $15 on this live stream, and then I'll get you into the premium group. So once you're in the premium group, you make money. All right. I drop the signal, you make money. This is on the evening, this same time, you come around and you learn. So you keep on learning while you are making your money. All right. When you are okay, when you think, wow, I'm good enough, you cannot start opening position by yourself. It's just as easy as that. All right. So this platform is more of learn and earn. Okay, earn and learn at the same time. You understand? So guys, please. And if you want to fund your account right now, and let me tell you one more thing. If you want to fund your account, it has to be on this live stream. Okay? If you want me to add you into my premium group, you have to fund your account on this live stream. Guys, if you're not funding on this live stream, I'm not going to count you. So it's not going to be I'm not going to it's not counted. Okay? If you don't fund on this live stream right now, it's not counted. The only place you fund and I'll be able to add you is when you fund on the live stream. All right. So if you're not funding on this live stream, and if you want to fund on this live stream right now, just go to the chat room. Okay, go to the chat room. You see that banner where deposit with benefit is written on. Yes, that banner. Click on that banner. All right, and it will take you straight to where you can make your deposit. Guys, that is the only way you can get into my premium signal. All right, that is the only way you can get into my premium signal. So, guys, let's go on. Okay, let's move on. Let's look for something else to do. All right. So, I see somebody is asking what is the benefit of the premium group. I already mentioned that, but yeah, no problem. We are here to make money, and I'll be using it. So, the benefit of joining the premium group is you get premium signals. Okay, signals that are going to make you money. All right. Like I showed you on the chat the other time. Bring back my let me bring back my the trade I took. Let me bring back the trade I took so that I can make better explanation using that trade. All right. I know most of us are just joining, and then maybe we were not present when I was making examples earlier. So look at this. This is money, isn't it? This is dollar. All right. This is $3.5. This is $4.3. This is $2.1. All right. So if you join the premium group, this is the benefit you get. All right. The benefit is you make money. All right. And on the evening, you come into the evening session and learn how to trade. Okay, it's just as easy as that. This is not just the benefit you get from the group. Actually, okay, there are other benefits. Okay, we have the market report where I'll be providing market report. You know what is going on in the market. Why I actually took, maybe you see somebody else. Wow, this guy is selling this thing. Oh, okay, so this is what is going on in GBP. Okay, and then if you are able to deposit up to $200, you even get the benefit of having a one-on-one session with me, a 1 hour live session with me personally, okay, privately. All right. But if you are able to fund just $15, you get the benefit of making money every day. Okay, and by weekend, you just make a withdrawal, go and flex yourself for the weekend. All right, and then you come back on Monday and you start to make money together again. It's just as simple as that. All right. So, guys, if you have any more questions, please feel free to ask me while I continue with our lesson. Right. So, like I said, this is the 4 hour time frame. This is how to plot your support and resistance. I hope we all understand how to plot support and resistance right now. Don't worry, I'm still going to make more examples. All right, I'm still going to make more examples. I'll be showing you how you can actually plot a support and resistance on any market, on any time frame. Okay. So, and I told you I did this because I'm an intraday trader. I can actually come to my 1 hour. That was the 4 hour time frame. So I can actually come to my 1 hour time frame and see what is going on in the market. All right. So right now, right now I have this, and this market is already moving to the downside, right? This market is already moving to the downside. Oh, wow, this is even a good trade. This is a good trade. This is a good trade, guys. You know, if you have your account right here, you can actually sell this market right now. Guys, this is a bonus for this session. I'm telling you, this is a bonus for this session. Guys, if you have your real account right now, you can actually fund though. If you don't have money in your account, fund your account right now and let's place this trade together. All right, fund your account right now. Let's place this trade together. You see, I told you guys. You see, this program is this is not a playing program. Okay, we are not here to play. We mean business. So that is why, no matter the time, um, whatever it is that we are doing, we are always looking for opportunities. So if you are here, you are lucky. Just sell this pair. I'm telling you, sell right now. Okay, this is AUDNZD. Okay, AUDNZD. Sell AUDNZD. So don't worry, I'll be communicating um, the take profit and the stop loss, but just go into your chart right now and place a sell for AUDNZD. All right. So I'm just trying to set mine. If you haven't set yours, go and get yours set. Okay. If you haven't done that, just go into your chart, into your real account, right? And place real trade. This is the kind of trade we make money with. All right. So I'm setting my own right now. This is why I keep telling you guys, fund your account. Right? Fund your account. See, if you fund your account right now, you still have a chance to enter this trade. Okay, if you want to fund, just go to the chat room, click on that banner where deposit with benefit is written. It's written on. Okay, click on it, fund your account, and place this trade together with us. All right. So you see, we are here to learn, and then we are making money. All right. You see, this is the sweetest part of our session. This is the sweetest part of our session. We actually I look for trade every time. Even though we are on the live session, we are not on the live session. If you are not on the live session, that's why it is important that you join the premium group. All right. So when you are on the premium group, it doesn't have to be on the live session. You make money either ways. Okay. It doesn't have to be just on the live session. You make money either ways. Either we are on live, we are not on live, you are still making your money. Okay. So guys, I'm setting mine. All right. I'm getting mine set. So make sure if you fund your account, go to AUDNZD and sell. If you fund your account, go to AUDNZD and sell that market right now. All right. AUDNZD, go and sell it right now. AUDNZD, guys, go and sell that trade. Go and sell that pair. So I'm going to call out the stop loss and the take profit. All right. I'm going to call out the stop loss and the take profit for us. All right. So now let's set our take profit and stop loss. Guys, let's set our take profit and stop loss. All right. So for our take profit, for our take profit, for our take profit, enter 1.08433. Let me repeat that one more time. Take profit 1.08433. All right. Then for our stop loss, 1.08767. 1.08767. All right. Let me repeat that one more time. Take profit 1.08433. And the stop loss 1.08767. All right. And then just place your trade. All right. So I've placed mine. I'm sure you've done that too. Okay. So guys, you see, that is one of the benefits. All right. That is one of the benefits of um, you see, this is what you get when you get into the premium group, right? So I'm always analyzing the market, looking for opportunities. So when I get the opportunities, I give the trade instantly, right? I give the trade ASAP, instantly. Okay. Okay, okay, okay. So guys, since we've placed our trade, let's just continue with our lesson, all right? So in any moment from now, we will be rounding up, you know. So if you have any question you want to ask me, now will be a good time, all right? If you have any question at all you want to ask me, now would be the best time, all right? So premium members, if there's any premium member here, congratulations to you. I'm sure you made a massive profit. A move on gold, this is the 15-minute time frame. Gold is very volatile. A move from here to here alone is big money, not to talk of here. All right. So in fact, I closed my trade when the market was around this area. You know, I told you in the forex market, you don't have to be greedy. So when your trade actually gets to a particular point, make sure you are taking profit. Okay, focus more on your profit. All right, you don't want your market, to start making you or getting you scared. Okay, so look at this kind of market right now. Maybe when the market got to this point, you didn't take profit. You were looking at the market to get to this point. All right, you were waiting for the take profit to hit, and then the market reverse. Even though it's going to go up again, you start getting scared. Hey, this market has come back to where it actually took off from. Is this market going to go up again? Yeah, if you ask me right now, this I think this market will still go up, all right? But it is very important that when you take any trade, you want to stay on your trade, all right? So maybe you can just leave the trade since it's an intraday trade. You can go to check the trade maybe once in 15 minutes or every 30 minutes, all right? So you go and check your trade, go see what is going on in the market, if you should take profit or you know and then always make sure if you are on the premium group, always make sure that you are checking the channel for updates. All right. So because I always say there, when we are in profit, I'll tell you we are already in profit. Take partials. Okay. And if you haven't joined our premium channel, guys, you are missing out. Trust me, you are really missing out. And if you want to join right now, all you have to do is just fund your account with at least $15. All right. So when you fund with $15, I get you into the premium group, and it's just as easy as that. You start making money. Okay. If you want to deposit, if you want to fund the account, make sure you are using that link in the chat room. Okay, that link where deposit with benefit is written on. Make sure that is the link you are using. All right. If you are not using that link, hey guys, you will not be qualified to get into my premium group. I keep saying this. Okay, I keep saying this. If you are not using um, that banner in the chat room, you will not be qualified. All right. That is the only way I'm accepting you into my premium group as my premium member. All right. So if you want me to see that seriousness in you, if you really mean business, you want to start making money from forex, go to that chat room, click on that banner where deposit with benefits is written on. All right. And make sure you are funding your account with at least $15. All right. Make sure you are funding with at least $15. That is the only requirement. All right. That's the only requirement. So let's look for another market. Who knows? Maybe we can even see another opportunity. Guys, let's just continue. All right, let's continue. Let's continue. We can actually get another opportunity. Okay, nothing is impossible. At least we were able to get one. So if you are here right now, um, it's your luck. It's your luck. Okay, so I think I drew this earlier around this morning, and look what happened. When the market got to that point, the market started moving to the downside. So you see, this is the benefit of joining the premium group. You don't even have to do anything. I'll be the one providing everything. All right, I'll be the one doing everything every time. All you have to do is just wait for the signal to come out and enter your trade. Easy peasy. So this is another trade from today. This is another trade that got played out. And yeah, I didn't take this actually. I didn't take this. Let's look for another market we can, capitalize on. All right. Another market we can actually took an entry from. Yeah, I think I remember I did some analysis on BTC USDT. Okay, I did some analysis here and I was actually waiting for this market to move up. I actually wanted to give this to my premium members, but if you are here and we get any opportunity here, that is your luck, guys. But you need to fund, right? You need to fund your account if you want to get this on the if you want to get this every time. Okay. Look at me. I even stopped. I stopped the lecture and I'm providing opportunities for us to make money. Oh God. Okay, so right now our market is actually breaking to the downside. Okay, so it's breaking to the downside right now, and we just need to wait for the market to see what is going to happen next. So whatever happens is, is going to give us what we need and what we need to see before we can actually look for a position. Okay, so there's no good entry on this. Okay, so before I go, I said I was going to make another analysis for you guys to see. All right, so this is how I make my own analysis. All right, so this is here. This is a long week. There's a rejection on this long week. Okay, and then there's another rejection around this area. Okay, and then the market is here right now. Okay, so what I love to do is, since the market is there and I got a rejection from there earlier, I want to see if there will be a movement from these zones. Okay, so remember what I said about support and resistance. So right now I'm seeing a support and resistance movement around that areas. Okay, I'm getting a support and resistance movement around that area. So this market rejected here. When it came down again, it rejected here. Okay, it rejected here also. But do you know why I'm not paying attention to this? Because the market already moved past it. Okay, so the one that is the market is around right now is, what I want to focus on. So this is where the market is currently is. All right. So since I've drawn that out, I want to draw my box inside. Right, I want to draw my box inside. Okay, so this is the 4-hour time frame right now. Every candle here, every single candle here takes about 4 hours to get printed. All right, so there are two ways that I can actually open a position here. Okay, there are two ways that I can actually get an opportunity here. It's either I wait for this 4 hour to come outside here. Okay, so when I get that rejection, you know when I get a break to this top side, I don't want to enter a trade here. Right now, it is very dangerous. Yeah, I know I said when the market is touching our resistance zone, our support zone, we start to buy. But you still want to be diplomatic about it. Okay, so you don't want your market to just be in the resistance or the support or resistance zone, and then you just place the trade. You understand? So it's not like that. It's not as easy as that. All right. So right now that the market is inside this zone right now, I want this market to actually come out of the zone. Okay, that is a way of confirming that yes, it's inside a zone and it's rejecting the zone. Okay, guys, it's just as easy as that. All right. So right now, so okay. Guys, please, one more thing. The deposit is not working today. All right. If you want to join the premium group, don't worry. 2 p.m. tomorrow, you can just see. All you have to do is just let me know on the comment section right now. Okay, just tell me you want to make you want to fund your account. All right, I will notice you down. Okay, so I'll make sure that you get, even since you already tell me right now, I'll make sure that you start getting premium signals tomorrow. Okay, don't worry about contacting you. I know how to contact you. I know how to get you. All right. So, but tomorrow afternoon you can make your deposit. Okay, you can fund your account on our afternoon session by 2 p.m. tomorrow. Okay, I'm very, very, very sorry about this, guys. Okay, I'm very sorry about this, that this is happening right now. But don't worry, it's one of those things that's happened. So right now I'm looking at the Ethereum USDT. Okay, this is the US Theta. Okay, the USDT means US Theta. So it's actually you okay. So sorry. Let me go back to the 4 hour time frame. I'm not taking you guys along, and that is not a good thing. I didn't take you guys along. This is a learning session, all right. And the reason why we are all here is because we want to learn, isn't it? So it's a learning session, and I'm supposed to take all of you along. Okay, we need to know what is going on. We need to know why we can actually get an opportunity. So I want to leave this zone. Okay, I want to leave here because we have a rejection here also, but the market is currently sitting on this. So the market is currently sitting on this, you see. So we want to get a rejection here. I was actually thinking if we kind of wait for the market to break out of this zone. This is the 4 hour time frame. The market, must have gone up a bit. All right. So let's use what we call sniper entry. All right. An entry that is going to get triggered. Okay, immediately. We don't want the market to go too far before we get an entry. So now what I'm going to do is I will go to the lower time frame, let's say the 15-minute time frame, and see if we can actually get a change of character. So what I mean by change of character is market structure shift. All right. If you don't understand what that means, it simply means that you look for the recent high. Okay. So we have this low, we have this high, we have this low, we have this high, and then we have this low. So I want to mark this out. Okay, this is how I make my analysis. Don't worry, you get here. It's just it will take a little time, all right, but you will definitely get here. Just make sure you are attending my class every evening, all right. You get here, you get to the point where you are able to make this yourself. But for the meantime, just make sure you are depositing, fund your account, and get into the premium group, all right. But for now, so this is how I make my analysis. All right, I'll wait for this market to actually take this out. That is why I will get a confirmation that yes, this market will actually start going up. All right. Yeah, I don't even think I need this. Let me just put it here. Okay, let me just put it here so that before you guys sleep, before that time actually comes when we can't even send the signal anymore. So this is the 15-minute time frame. Every candle here will take 15 minutes to finish printing. Okay, so maybe in the next 30 minutes we can just get a breakout here. So when we get it, I'll drop this on our BtcDana general Telegram group. All right, so I'll drop it there, and we will be able to take the trade together. We already have one running already. All right, so guys, I have just 2 minutes to end this live session right now. All right, we have just 2 minutes to end our live stream for this evening. So guys, if you have any question that you want to ask me before the end of this session, please make sure to ask me now. All right, if you have any question at all, you can ask me uh, within these 2 minutes. Okay, I know you guys love money. That's why I'm making this. I know some of us right now, our mind is sweet. Hey, this guy is making another analysis. He's looking for more opportunity. Hey, make God make and see another opportunity before you go offline. All right. Oh, what's going on here? Okay. So I have this, and so when I get a breakout to this area, don't worry, I'm going to alert the trade, and then we can actually ride it to this area. This is not even so big. Let me see if we can actually get something. Let me see if we will be able to make good money from here. No amount is too small in the forex market. Yeah, no amount is too small. Wow, we'll actually make good money. Okay, we'll make good money. So guys, we have just 1 minute to round up this session. All right, we have just 1 minute to round up this session, and don't worry if you are not able to make deposit today, this evening, you will be able to make it tomorrow by God's grace. All right, So just make sure you have your money with you. Fund it tomorrow on our afternoon session. All right. So guys, I think we should stop here for this evening. Tomorrow is another day. We'll continue tomorrow by God's grace. All right. So guys, have a blessed evening. Make sure you rest well. Tomorrow is another day for us. All right. So I'll see you guys tomorrow.